Hi all, so welcome to my channel again. So today we have a posting for SAP PP job. So the people who are working in as a PP consultant, they can check my video and apply for this job. So it's an urgent opening. Okay, my channel name is Monit Kumar, where I'm posting all the job related videos as well as SAP documents or help videos for the people who are having a career in the SAP. This is my Telegram link. If you have any query, you can email me on this email ID. Okay, so the uh, job has been posted by a smart recruiters. It is a consultancy services who are going to directly uh, evaluate your profile and will submit it to a manufacturing company. It's a manufacturing company, okay, based in the US. Okay, so SAP PP consultant is the job role they are providing. These are the key things that you need to note it down. SAP planning process, and there is a implementation going on S4 functionality. So you may get a chance to work on the S4 HANA for the implementation and migration from ECC. Plus, it's also having a support projects where you have to do certain enhancements for the business requirements. There are all the details you can put on an email and with a proper CV, having all the expertise you have in the PP modules and the key areas of the PP, SAP PP. And these are the things that you need to, they are going to evaluate you. So upgradation, if you have worked on any upgradation project for SAP, that is going to add an advantage. Okay, any implementation candidate who have a implementation experience, that is going to add an advantage and benefit for you. Okay, you may get a chance to prepare a new reports in SAP as per the user requirement, and these are issues which is as part of the support project. So for the support project, whatever the issue that you are encountering, so you may get a chance for work on both the support and implementation, and accordingly based on your profile and the experience you have, you are going to be put on the particular assignment. So initially they are going to put you on the support project for 2 or 3 months, and then thereafter you have to handle the implementation because they are already in the implementation phase for S4 HANA. It's a good chance to explore if someone wants to explore in the S4 field. Okay, and you can check all those things I have mentioned over here. Okay, and some trainings needs to be conducted because it's implementation project, so you have to train the end users as well as the support team, preparing the documentation or document of understanding, and sharing to them as a knowledge sharing sessions or the KT session. Okay, so variant configuration is one of the thing that I have seen here. They have pretty much questions they are going to query you on the variant configuration. So prepare variant configuration if you are applying for this job. Okay, demand planning and GATP, global ATP, because in S4 ATP has been changed. Okay, it's an advanced ATP that is going to become with the S4. So you should be able to understand the full concept of ATP. You should have a good understanding and create command on this topic if you are applying for this job. Okay, from the interview perspective. Okay, so how to apply? You can share all those your proper CV with a cover letter and the details about your experience and the current company and the CTC, and you have to email to this email ID. Okay, this is a consultancy service, consultancy firm who is going to further evaluate your profile and will send to the client. Okay, this is direct client hiring. Okay, you will be on a payroll for client. Okay, salary they have not mentioned, but the experience they are looking is 6 to 15 years. The job location is they have mentioned is a Pune. So anyone is having experience, they can negotiate on the current CTC. 30 to 40% of hike you can easily expect from this company. It's a manufacturing company, not an IT company, so you will get a good exposure as well working with this. If you want, I will suggest that you should first drop an email with proper CV and cover letter with all those details. If you are not getting a reply and if you are looking for job on an urgent basis and you are on a notice period, serving notice period, and have left with just 15 or 20 days, you can directly call on this HR team number and they can You can resolve your query from there, as well as you can schedule your interview from this number as well. So I hope you are liking my videos, and those who have subscribed, many thanks to them. Those who have not done, please subscribe my channel so that I can post all more videos regarding the job and new topics in SAP, so that you can able to understand all those things in one place. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.